Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by assembling everything you already know: full name variations, hometown, employer, schools, and any mutual friends. Once done, open Facebook and enter the most specific name variant, include city or workplace to narrow results. Make sure to save one clear photo. You will use it for a reverse image search if the account is private. Don't waste time guessing. Combine two facts and search again to reduce noise and surface the right profiles faster. Next, you dive into Facebook's middle steps. Apply filters like current city, education, and workplace to narrow dozens of hits. Once a likely match appears, check mutual friends, tagged photos, and group memberships to confirm identity. Make sure to try the username and the profile URL and paste saved photos into a reverse image search to find mirrored accounts. If you still have doubt, search other networks and public posts. Cross-checking multiple sources reduces mistaken identities and saves you future awkward messages. Finally, verify the profile carefully. Look for consistent photos, recent activity, and shared friends. Once confident, send a short, polite message explaining who you are and why you reached out, or request friendship with a clear note. This increases the chance of a positive response. If you cannot find or access the profile, don't push. Instead, contact a mutual friend for an introduction or accept that privacy settings limit access. Troubleshooting tip: if searches fail, expand to other platforms or pause and respect boundaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.